In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Sora 2 watermark fast. The most important thing to understand right from the beginning is that the cleanest and most reliable way to remove a watermark is not by editing over it afterward, but by exporting the video properly from the original source. That gives you the best image quality, avoids visual artifacts, and makes sure your final video looks professional. Start by going to Sora 2 and opening the project you want to use. If you're creating the video yourself, check whether your current plan or account supports watermark-free exports. Many platforms reserve clean exports for specific subscription tiers, so this is the first place to look before doing anything else. If that option is available to you, make sure you use it during export instead of trying to fix the watermark later. Next, take a moment to review your account settings. Look for anything related to your subscription, billing, or export options, and confirm whether watermark removal is included in your plan. This step matters because sometimes the feature is available, but it needs to be selected correctly when exporting. Verifying that now can save you time and prevent unnecessary rework. Once you've confirmed that your account supports it, re-export the original project. When you do, choose the highest quality export option available. This is a good practice because you want the final version to be as sharp and clean as possible, especially if you plan to upload it elsewhere or use it in professional content. A fresh export from the original project will always look better than trying to crop, blur, or cover a watermark after the fact. If the video was sent to you by someone else, the process is a little different. In that case, ask the original creator to provide the watermark-free version, as long as they're entitled to do so through their account or plan. That's the best option because only the original source file or project owner may have access to the proper export settings. As a final tip, always keep the original project file whenever possible. That makes it much easier to create a clean version later without losing quality. And if you don't see a watermark-free option, double check the export menu and your subscription details before assuming it isn't available. That's it. If you follow these steps, you can get the cleanest possible Sora 2 video quickly and without compromising quality.